Good morning, class. So, we were discussing about the establishment of company power, how European companies entered in India and they established their company in India. Okay, so in the introductory part, I have taught you about how Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route of India and started business in India. Okay, Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese. Okay, Portuguese trader. Clear, beta? Then we have seen the introduction, and after that we have studied about Portuguese. Okay, how they came to India and how they settled their business, and after that they have started taking interest in Indian politics. Okay, and how they were thrown out of the India due to anger which was arised in Indian people as well as rulers. Okay, now today we will discuss about the second European countries who entered India and established their business. Okay, I taught you some countries who were interested in doing business in India. Okay, so second one was Dutch. The Dutch were the next to reach India in 1595. Okay, beta? When Dutch came to India in 1595, they formed their company in 1602 and established a trading center at Surat, Bharuch, Cambay and Ahmedabad in Gujarat, Cochin in Kerala, Nagapattinam in Madras and Masulipatanam in Andhra, Chinchura in Bengal, Patna in Bihar and Agra in UP. They established their first factory in Masulipatanam, then in Chinchura. Pulicat and Surat, they exported indigo, silk, cotton, textiles, salt, petre, and opium from India. However, the Dutch did not try to gain political advantage here. They were most interested in island of Southeast Asia where they created their empire. India was only a link for their trade in Southeast. Therefore, they left the British and French to contend between themselves for trade and political power in India. Okay, beta? So this was all about the Dutch. Okay, why they came to India and where they established their factories. There are different cities in which they have established their factories. Okay, and as I told you earlier, they were not interested in politics of the India. Okay, वो लोग नहीं चाहते थे कि इंडिया में हम लोग रूलिंग करें. इंडिया सिर्फ उनके लिए क्या था, एक बिजनेस ऑप्शन था जहाँ से वो अपने बिजनेस को कैरी कर सके. ठीक है बेटा, तो वो जो इंटरेस्टेड थे वो कहाँ पर इंटरेस्टेड थे, जो हमारा साउथ ईस्ट एशिया के आइलैंड है वो केवल उस आइलैंड के लिए इंटरेस्टेड थे. क्यों? क्योंकि वो उनके लिए ट्रेड रूट था. ठीक है, और जैसे ही फ्रेंच और ब्रिटिश में फाइटिंग स्टार्ट हुई, डच ने इंडिया से अपना बिजनेस हटा लिया और उनने ब्रिटिशर और फ्रेंच को लड़ने के लिए छोड़ दिया. क्लियर? नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट फ्रेंच. So the French East India Company was established in 1664. It established its headquarters at Pondicherry, Madras, Chandranagar and Bengal, Mauritius in Arabian Sea. It was largely a government controlled company which dependent on the French government for finance and military support. They became a strong rival to the British company during the time of French government Joseph Dupleix. Their rivalry became very intense. Okay, however, they paid less attention to trade and more attention to politics, which resulted in three wars against the British. These three wars was famous in history as Carnatic Wars. Okay, sealed the fate of French in India. They lost their dream of establishing an empire in India. Okay beta, what was the purpose of the French people? They came to India as a trader, but वो लोग इंडिया पे कब्जा करना चाह रहे थे. दे वांट टू रूल ओवर इंडिया. ठीक है, तो उन लोगों ने क्या करा, ट्रेड से ज़्यादा इंडिया की पॉलिटिक्स पे कंसंट्रेशन किया बेटा, और धीरे धीरे वो ब्रिटिश के राइवल बन गए. राइवल मीन्स अपोजिशन. ओके बेटा, कॉम्पिटिटर. और यही चीज़ ब्रिटिशर को अखर गई, उनके लिए प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो गई, और इसी से बचने के लिए फ्रेंच और ब्रिटिश के बीच में 3 वॉर हुए. देयर वर 3 वॉर फॉट बिटवीन द फ्रेंच एंड British. We will discuss it later on, and that war is known as Carnatic War. In this war, Britain had to face defeat and they had to wind up their business from India. Okay बेटा, इस हार से फ्रेंच पीपल को अपना बिजनेस पूरी तरह से बंद करना पड़ा इंडिया में. ओके, कार्नेटिक वॉर के बारे में हम लोग आने वाले वीडियोस में डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके बेटा, आई होप these things are clear to you. First we have studied about the Portuguese, then we studied about the Dutch, and after that the French. In coming videos we will discuss about the fourth European country, which is the English or British. Okay beta, if you have any doubt then you can ask. Thank you so much.